The flux capacitor's gone out. We're gonna crash. We'll never reach 80 in time. Good morning, beautiful citizens and people watching this wonderful YouTube channel. Connor here from Just Add Water, and I'm joined with Eli. He is also from Just Add Water. We both work at Just Add Water, in case you didn't mind. Any hoosers, today we are out in the wonderful area of Johnston, Iowa, getting ready to install something fun. So, boom. We are in the front yard of this beautiful property this homeowner has, and we are going to be installing a bubbling fountain to spruce up this entryway. So there was actually an existing fountain here, but there's some things that were sort of wrong with it. Like, that goes to the pump and there's no way to get to the pump, so we're going to actually make it so they can access the pump with a vault, a 5 large Aquascape block basin, and we're going to make our splash pad very large so we can catch all the splash zero in here. Obviously you can see the downspout. That'll do a good job of topping everything off for us. But yeah, we're going to start ripping this thing out. We're going to be able to dump everything right on site. We're going to back our trailer right next up to our excavator, scoop stuff out, put it in the trailer, go dump it on site, get our basin put in, get our fountain stone put in, do some plumbing, do our rock work. Bing, bang, pow. We got ourselves a water feature, so let's get after it. Ta-da! Alrighty guys, we are all wrapped up with this little project here in Johnston. As always, this was a phenomenal, fantastic one-day build. A few little hiccups sort of, towards the end of it, but aside from that, everything went super smooth, super quick. I think the transformation of this front yard was pretty phenomenal, so hope you guys enjoyed tuning in, and we'll catch you later. Thanks.